again, in the previous screencast we were looking at the help document. In this screencast, let's try to actually do something. We're back to the account view in ThinkAutomation. Let's create a new account by clicking the plus sign. ThinkAutomation opens a new account dialog, and it's asking for the name of the new account. Order processing is the name we're going to give. And we will process orders. What are some of the other options given in this create new account dialog? Here we can define a schedule. A default of every 3 minutes was given to us, but we can change the schedule on which the messages will be processed. You can do it every so often, daily at a particular time. Let's say here it's 11:37, or at these times, and enter the list of times. So let's say I want to enter (7:15 a.m.) and 22:15, which is 11:15 at night. That's just for example. I can select which days I want to execute the triggers on. Here every day is selected. I could uncheck Saturday and Sunday, and additionally ThinkAutomation gives me an option to auto run this account with a default message, and here I can define the default message template. We're not going to actually change any defaults. Let's cancel and leave everything as it was in the schedule. There are some other defaults selected. Store full copy of each message in the message store. ThinkAutomation has something called the message store, its own database, and let's only look at the default options. Mark new messages added to the message store as read. And here we have options only if marked as read at source, meaning you read the message, let's say in the Outlook. The other option is always we leave the defaults. Enabled. The check mark enabled means the account is enabled. Let's save the account, and we are given a pop-up saying, do you want to create a new trigger for this account now? Let's say no. And these are the necessary steps to create the minimal basic account. We're opening the account and see there are no triggers inside. On the left column, so we see the name of the account order processing, and some statistics saying there are no triggers. The on-demand option is enabled, meaning we can start executing on demand. Messages processed today is 0, and last message processed is never. So let's pause at this point, and we'll continue in the next screencast. We will do some more.